my French fried barbecue pigtail on a platter of Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a French fried barbecue pigtail. Alright, so I have in this bowl some pigtail that was being soaked. I'm gonna cut them up, wash them off with some lime and vinegar, and then I'm gonna cut them up and put it to boil to remove the excess salt. So please note that pigtail is already seasoned, so we're not going to be using any seasoning whatsoever except for the sauce, alright, and the flour to French fry it. Okay. So I'm washing these off with the lime and vinegar to remove the rawness. I'm gonna give this another washing. So it's now ready. I'm gonna add to the pot to the fire. So guys, as I said before, because of the salt, I will be boiling it for at least 3 times to remove the excess salt. So you know pigtail is very salt, alright? So it's on the fire now guys. I'm gonna allow it to boil. I'm gonna give it 3 boil. Remove the water each time to remove the excess salt and also to let it get tender, alright? I'm gonna throw off this again guys and put it back to boil some more. Alright guys, if you don't mind the fat, you can leave it. Alright, some people will remove it, some people will let it stay. So guys, at this time I'm going to be French frying my pigtail. So I have my pot on the stove. I have my bowl for the flour and my pigtail is over there. Adding some oil to the frying pot. So guys, you can add any amount of oil you wish to use to French fry your pigtail. Turn on the stove a bit. So, okay. I'm just gonna coat these. Just like when you're frying chicken. I'm just going to flip these guys and allow them to fry on the other side. This is Auntie style French fry barbecue pigtail, right? gonna remove them now. Then I'm gonna make my sauce. Barbecue sauce. Okay. There you have them, guys. I'm gonna make my barbecue sauce now. Guys, for my sauce, I'm gonna be using the barbecue sauce, some ketchup, a little agave, something to give it a little sugary taste, but it's less sugary. And I have some cranberry juice. Alright, so I'm gonna get that ready now. The pot is already on the fire hot, so I'm gonna add the ingredients. Barbecue sauce. You could have used some lime from orange juice, guys, but I'm using cranberry juice instead. I'm gonna add some ketchup. So if you don't like ketchup in your stuff, you don't have to add ketchup. As I said before, I'm just gonna add a little of this, give it a little sweet. It's agave, guys. Agave. It's less sugar and it's very healthy to have instead of the sugar. Alright. We don't need any salt because the pigtail is already salted. Sharp seasoning, spice it up a bit. Just allow that to simmer before adding my pigtail. Alright. Here, guys. This tastes real good. It tastes real good, guys. It tastes really good. So guys, this is the oven now. I'm gonna put them to the pigtail to barbecue in this oven. So I'm gonna turn it on to 50 degrees. I'm gonna allow it to warm up and then I'm gonna add my pigtail. This is my baking dish and I'm just gonna line it with some foil. And then I'm gonna add the pigtail to it now. So I'm going to add the pigtail to the sauce like this. Alright. I'm gonna add the liquid to the pigtail. is it, guys. It's now ready. I'm going to add it to the oven. And I'm gonna allow it to cook for another 30 minutes with the sauce. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. Just going to turn these, guys. Nicely, coming out nicely. So I just turn them. Ooh. And there you have it, guys. All done, all done. Our French fry barbecue pigtail. All done, guys. Look at it. Take a screenshot. Look at it, guys. All done, all done, all done. So I'm gonna plate this now. I'm gonna dish now, guys. I'm gonna dish it on a bed of lettuce. Look at it, guys, all done. And there you have it, guys, all done. On a platter of lettuce, my French fry barbecue pigtail. Yummy, 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 yummy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I hope you enjoy cooking. It's supposed to taste nice. I'm gonna have this now. My French fry barbecue pigtail. Go ahead and try it, guys.